Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 61, flat binary tree to linked list. For a time being, I'm going to do few this binary tree questions. So this is a solution and question is easy. I don't know why, but I find question of trees very easy actually. So yeah, this is the space and time complexity, and I'm already telling you this space complexity is never going to be good. And simple reason is 90% of binary tree question is done by a recursion, and recursion always creates a recursive stack. And particularly recursive stack of Java is very bad. So that's fine. Thank you for watching the videos, and I will post more videos.